Hopefully you guys are able to see me properly. Hello, I'm not sure if I have too much lights on the inside. Hi, how are you folks doing? Hi everybody. I don't know if I should turn off the light above me. Hi everyone, welcome. I don't even know. Oh, I hope you guys are seeing me and this is not just bright enough in your face. How you folks doing? Welcome. The studio is almost completed and I am so happy that I will be sharing my new space with you in a few days. In a few days basically. So I'm organizing because again it's the holiday. So we're getting ready for Thanksgiving and also the Christmas holiday. I don't know, but somehow it looks so like darker inside there. Just let me see if I could dim out my light or something, maybe put it inside. See if this is going to help put some light on my face. I think that does look good. Hi, welcome. My name is Darcy. I'm actually here doing some labels. You could see some products on the shelf. They need labeling. I am excited to share with you the new space I've been working on. Guys, we have a lot of new products and I will be sharing a lot of how we make the products, the behind the scenes of Darcikinorganics. Those of you who just saw, I think I recently posted the video for this beautiful essential oil blend soap bar. I am going to post another video with this beautiful pink clay bar. It has a beautiful, it smells, it's similar to licorice, but it's a blend of essential oils that kind of made the scent. So it's gearing close to Christmas and it's perfect for the holidays. You have the spices like the anise, the nutmeg, the clove, a little bit hint of peppermint because you know the holidays you do have peppermint. We're definitely going to have this ready and I am packaging my new products. We are launching our candle line. Look at this. Isn't that a beautiful candle? So the aura jars, I did an unboxing for you guys. I will also post the new winter fragrance from Macy's. So let me show you. This is one of the fragrance. I will be posting the full unboxing for you. I did smell each of them and I gave my personal take on the different scents. Some of the scents, they're very subtle. Some of them, they're very strong. I would recommend getting the $39.95 pack so you get a chance to smell each one and know what you would want in your candle line. Now, because we're launching our candles for the first time, I just went and purchased the 16 ounce in each of them. And I was like, you know something, candle will sell. People will gravitate to any scent. However, there are 6 specific ones I want to blend with other fragrance that I want to make something very unique. I feel it's kind of interesting when you're making, you know, mixing fragrances to get something very unique that sticks in. I know some of you just use whatever you get and make your candles. That's you. But you know, I am this interesting individual that like to mix stuff and play around with stuff. That's just me. So look at this beautiful candle. So what I did, I made this beautiful snowflake and I tried to fit it in the wooden wick. Still working on making sure that I get a clean look, but this is it. It's time for the holidays. I feel it's perfect. This one has a beautiful scent that was recommended by my friend. She's amazing. Her candles smell really good. She'll just pour this candle and it smells really good. She gave me some recommendation for a fragrance gardenia. So I got something that is blended gardenia and lilies and certain things, and this is just a beautiful, very beautiful. So basically what we're doing in our little hut today, we're labeling body butters. I just wanted to show you guys the little setup in the studio space. So I'm just labeling, where's my scissors? I just wanted to come and say hi. We have new products. We also have bath bombs. The bath bombs, they're going really well. What else? So you could see some of my other candles. They need to trim up. And I have these ones. Now, what I realized with the wax, I have to recalculate the percentage because this wax did shrink a lot. Like when I tell you it shrank. So I'm just going to be doing some labels. Just wanted to come and touch by and say we have some new products. Our pumpkin, you see our pumpkin scrubs. What else do we have? We have one of our signature butters right here. We also have this beautiful citrus glass. Look at this. It's just a beautiful explosion on your body. What else? We have quite a few products. We also have our new packaging for our soap. Let me see if I could get that for you. So this was my packaging before. And I think a lot of companies go through that. Which packaging am I going to stick with? So this will be my new packaging because I just cannot handle the plastic anymore. So this is our new packaging. Let me know what you think about it from this to that. A bit more pricey, but for me, for my health, it's important to use anything that is eco-friendly. I just cannot be burning a lot of plastic when I have my little one around. So I've resorted to the bags, okay? So tell me what you guys are working on. I just wanted to pop by and say hi. I've got a few tutorials to share with you. Hopefully you guys stick around for that. See you in another video. Bye everybody.